Hey guys, Joester from the future. I just wanted to let you know that I installed the handlebar backwards. I had the stem inwards when it's supposed to be outwards. I didn't realize this until later on when editing the video, so I just wanted to let you know how it's supposed to be. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. Alright, let's continue with the video. Hello guys, Joester here. Welcome back to another video. So today I have a brand new e-bike by Velotric. So this is the Nomad 1 by Velotric, and I'm super excited to show you guys this bike because it not only looks beautiful, but it's super comfortable, super easy, and very powerful to ride too. So this is a full-size off-road, on-road e-bike with a CST BFT 26 by 4-inch tires. So these tires can go on the road, can go off-road, anywhere you want to take them. Really good, reliable tires. It comes equipped with also front fork suspension with a lockout. So in combination with the tires, the lockout, the front fork suspension, and the seat, this makes a really good, comfortable ride. Another thing I like about this bike is look how clean and beautiful they did the battery. It's built inside the frame, so it doesn't even look like an e-bike. You know, it looks really nice. The battery is built in here. You can also remove it with a key. Just turn the key, take off the battery, charge it elsewhere, or you can also charge it right here. There's the compartment. Just charge the battery here. You can test how much power it has right over here. That's it. Looks really clean. Another thing I like is look how organized this cable management is. Really nice and clean, organized. All the cables are just into one, and then they go inside the frame and they get lost. That's it. You don't see them anymore. Really nice details. There's a front headlight right here. It's not the brightest headlight, but it works really well. I don't usually ride at night, so it's not a big deal to me. There's a headlight, but unfortunately there's no tail light. Well, actually they do include some sort of like a tail light and the reflectors that you can put right here in the post, the seat post, but they're not connected with the frame. They're not connected with the bike. So I posted this. I used this one. It has different patterns. I got this one on Amazon. I think I like it a lot because it has more patterns, and you can recharge it. You can just turn it off. The only thing is, like, if you forget to turn this off, you run out of battery. So that is the only detail. So let's move on to right here in the front. There is this beautiful design handlebar. It's sort of like a cruiser handlebar. It's really nice and easy to ride. Very comfortable. That's what I like about this. Very comfortable. The grips are made of rubber, so they're really grippy. I like that. So you feel like you're holding on to the bike correctly. The throttle is right here, positioning on the left hand side. So the throttle, it's a twist throttle. It only works when you have the pedal assist turned on. So if you have it in zero, it doesn't work, which is really nice. We have the controllers right here as well. Very easy, power, plus and minus. That's it. Over here we have the LCD display, which is very bright. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very visible during the day. You have different positions as well, 3 different positions. And then right here at the bottom there is one connector, USB connector to charge your phone. Really nice details. I mean, this bike checks a lot of points for me, to be honest. Then right here we have the shifter. So this is an 8-speed shifter, which I really like the design of this. So you can change gears like this, or you can go down on this outside with your thumb, with your finger. really easy, really intuitive, and it looks really nice and slick. Here we have the brake systems. These are hydraulic brakes, so in combination with the hydraulic brakes and also a 180mm disc brake, this has really good stopping power. Very reliable, very strong, really nice brake system. They also include the fenders. Some really nice long plastic fenders. What I like is that they don't make any noise at all. So there's the front and rear fender included, but they don't include the rear rack. So here we have the little posts for the rear rack. It seems like there's going to be a rack right here, which I think is going to be a really nice complement. And there's also a post for water bottle right here, a water bottle holder. And there's also more posts right here from the front rack. So I was told by Velotric that they're going to have those accessories by the end of November, the beginning of December, which is nice if you like to order those. And it'll be nice if they send it to me so I can show you guys how it looks with the front and rear rack and also the water holder, the water bottle holder. I think it's a really nice complement. Now, talking about compliments, what I get a lot of compliments from this bike is the paint job. Oh my god, I love this paint job. It's like a metallic gray. It looks so nice, so beautiful. They offer different colors, and also they offer a step through. This is the step over design. They also have the step through, but this by far is my favorite color. Look how beautiful and shiny this looks. Love it. Alright guys, so let's take it for a spin. Let's jump over and let's do this. I'm gonna check the different level assist, the power. How much power do we get with different level pedal assist? Let's go to level 1. Actually, you know what, before I start that, let's see how can I ride this without any pedal assist, right? Is that even possible? Let me see. Let's change to the lowest gear. That's 3. Yes, it's actually possible. And it's really easy. It feels easy. Even though this looks like a big bike. Change to gear 3. So if you want to work out without any assistant at all, it is totally possible with this bike. Now let's put level assistant level 1, which is eco mode. So this is normally how they rate these e-bikes for the maximum range. Level 1 or eco mode. In this case it's level 1. So I'm going top speed of 11 miles per hour. Let me see if I can change gear 4. Yeah, so it's about 11 miles per hour. Let's do level assist 2. Oh, I do feel that impulse. A little bit of kick. 13 miles per hour. Yes, sir. Let's go level assist 3. There you go. Oh, mamma mia. I like this. 15. Then I change gear. 16 miles per hour. Feels good. This is how I normally ride this bike. Level assist 3. That is normally how I ride this bike. Let's change to level 4. Oh, there you go. More power. Yes, I can feel that power. 19 miles per hour. Let's go to full throttle. Level assist 5. Oh wow. 21, 22. 22 miles per hour. So that's the top speed right here. 22 miles per hour. That feels good. 23 miles per hour. Okay, so now we're gonna do throttle only. What I noticed is that each pedal assist does affect the throttle power too. So for example, pedal assist level 1, we're gonna do the throttle. And it goes 9, 10 miles per hour. Right, let's do one more. So you see I'm pressing the throttle. And now it goes 13 miles per hour. Let's throttle only, okay? Now level assist level 3, that's 16 miles per hour. It's going up. Level assist 4, so throttle does change. So we're going now 18 miles per hour. The pedal assist 5, throttle only. That is 21, 22 miles per hour. Yeah, 22 miles per hour. So that's the same as if we pedal. 22.5 miles per hour is a 23, actually 23. Is the top speed, whether you pedal or throttle only. All right, so we're gonna go do a hill climbing test. That is the hill that we're gonna go to. It's about 30 degrees. I'm not 100% sure, but it is very inclined. So we're gonna do this right now. Let's see how, we're gonna see how, oh man, we're going, Jesus. We're gonna go real quick. Let's go get some momentum. Let's do a pedal assist level 4. Let's see how we do this. I'm barely pedaling. There you go. Easy. Wow, about 13 miles per hour, which is really good. That was super easy. Oh my God. That is a steep hill, let me tell you. I'm gonna go into this bridge, but we need to go through this hill. Let's go. Highway. Oh, I'm struggling. I need the pedal assist. I needed the pedal assist. I kind of lost control, but yeah, we did it. I was going too fast. I feel like I was going too fast. We're gonna go downhill. Let's test the brakes. These are hydraulic brakes. 28 miles per hour. Oh my God. Yo, mío. Oh my God, these brakes are really good. Very strong. So far, I'm having such a great time with this bike. It is nice and comfortable. The 750 watt motor has good power to take hills. Even though I weighed 240 pounds, the bike did amazing. It is available in different colors. I have the indigo gray high step version, but it is also available in yellow, or as they call it, mango, sand, and green forest, which I think it looks great too. Or the step 2 version has also cyan, sky blue, or spring. You can pre-order the bike for $1,600. It has a 1-year warranty and a 14-day free trial. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video for the latest prices and for you to order your bike today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.